Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video for you only because since I've been working out, I've been getting so many questions of people asking me, what am I drinking after working out since I work out so early around breakfast time? So this is what I do maybe 80% of the time. I will work out, and within 30 minutes of working out, I will come home and make Rebuild. If I don't bring Rebuild with me to the gym, I actually turn it into a complete meal once I get home. So what I do is 2 scoops of Rebuild, and this is the chocolate flavor Rebuild. Now that we have 3 flavors, chocolate is definitely my favorite, especially for this recipe. So again, this is my breakfast, so it's a complete meal as well as recovering from my workout. So I have 2 scoops of my Rebuild and high protein iced coffee. If you guys have not tried this protein coffee that Herbalife offers, you are missing out. This is actually the mocha flavor. Since I am using chocolate Rebuild, I use the mocha coffee. So it's the protein coffee, and I'm actually only going to add 1 scoop only because the Rebuild has enough protein in it to make this a complete meal. But I did want the coffee with a little bit of extra protein since I'm not using the PDM per usual. And then I'm going to grab my cafe latte, and I'm going to put 2 scoops of cafe latte just like I would with my original shake. So usually what I will do is bring my Rebuild to the gym, shake it up right after my workout, and drink it on the way home. But if I do not drink it on my way home, this is what I do when I get home. I just make it a whole complete meal. That way I can get breakfast out the way as well as having my post-workout shake, because it's very important to have a post-workout shake. But my friends, that is not all. As y'all know, I love my black espresso. I talk about it all the time, even though people throw some shade sometimes because it's not an Herbalife product. But black coffee, there's nothing wrong with black coffee, guys. When you go to Starbucks and when you go to Dunkin' Donuts, it's not the coffee that's bad. It's everything that is added to it. So if you're just adding some instant coffee to your shake, it's really not that big of a deal. Black coffee actually has health benefits. So I do add 1 tablespoon of instant Cafe Bustelo to this concoction of a recipe. So you guys, this is my post-workout breakfast meal. So again, it's my meal and my post-workout shake in the same shake. And what I do, I don't blend it up. I literally just pour it over ice, and it's just like drinking a iced mocha coffee, iced mocha latte, iced mocha, like all them little fancy names. You can name it any of those. It's absolutely amazing. So if you want to try it after a workout, if you're working around breakfast time, I wouldn't suggest at nighttime because I did add instant coffee to it. But if coffee doesn't really wake you up, try it around dinner time if you work out at night. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys, since I do have many questions on how do I squeeze in post-workout so close to breakfast, so you can just combine it. And if you want lots more recipes, I do have my online forever recipe book. You can purchase it. It's only $35, and you can be updated with recipes for a lifetime with me. I literally add recipes to it just about every single day, and you pay a one-time fee, and you are in the group, and you can search by products, you can search by holidays, you can search by, I don't know, the name. If you were looking for something specific, you can search it by name and see if it's in there. There's just so many different things, and I have so many recipes that I don't have time to record. So I do have that option for you guys. If you do want to purchase, check out the description below. I will put how to purchase my forever lifetime online recipe book in the description to this video. I will also have a short reel type video on my Facebook page. So if you follow me there, follow me on Instagram, you know I'm everywhere. Melisa Gibbs, everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Thank you guys so much for all your love, your support. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you guys for sharing with your friends, your family, your Herbalife family, and just thank you for pouring into me. The more you guys pour into me, the more I can pour out to you guys. So thank you all so much for this amazing year, and I look forward to another fabulous year with new products and new recipes, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.